But I just wanted to let you guys know that I've had some sad news in my fish hobby. That's Theo passing away yesterday in the evening, where I found his body on the bottom of the glass. Not jumped, not attacked, not beaten up, just basically died from natural causes. His stomach didn't even look bloated, which I could tell you that. Anyways, that kind of sucks. So we're gonna go with that. Maybe looking into maybe picking one up from Eric. I still got credit from him, so I might pick up maybe one or two from him and go from there. What's up, YouTube? This is Learn. Long time no see. Well, it's that time of the year again. It's fall fishing with our annual walleye fall fishing run. I just wanted to let you guys know I actually misplaced my license and I'm bummed out. Going upon two ways when you lose a license. First things first, you can notify the province that you're in and look at the regulations on figuring out what you can do. Now second, I talked to Canadian Tire, the retailer that actually sold you the license. I don't know where you guys picked up your licenses from. Ask them if they can make a duplicate for you. But the odds are really slim because I notified Canadian Tire and they said that your best bet is to actually buy another one. That's unfortunate that I lost mine, but you know, first license isn't a lot of money. It's gonna cost me about 20 bucks. There is a big sale at Canadian Tire, a smoking deal on this, and I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that it's still there. But in the meantime, I went to go scope out East Selkirk, where our spot is, and I bumped into none other than these three dudes. Here's a little glimpse while we get to Canadian Tire. Okay, what's up, YouTube? It's a windy day. I got my dead cat on, so that's gonna help get some footage. It's the fall season of fishing, and we got these guys here. Pare, ito sila tol, oh. We got Chris and Mike. Tatlo na ako.
Gas-gas na yung ano na yan. Gas-gas na yung linya na yan. Uy! Kain ka!
Ito Kuya Rolly, oh. Ikaw ba ang ano? Ikaw ba nakahuli ng 29?
27.
27.
Ayun, kain ka, oh.
Tingnan mo itong mga to, oh. If you can't catch, ito na lang gagawin mo. Nagdadala ka na rositary.
Pero ito rice. Ito rice.
Yung karne?
Bigla eh.
Sino may?
Ayan pare!
Yan na. Oh! Too strong! Holy shit! Strong!
Matagal eh! Wala na.
Too strong.
Matagal yung ano? Tornilyo.
Walang yung pagkabig ni Mike.
Tala!
Holy shit!
Paghila mo, ibibulay na yung tinik sa katawan eh.
Wala tuloy.
Wala. May iwan yung katawan. Tinik na lang nadali mo. Lakas ano?
Yun ang pure strength for fishing, I think. Walang yung pangkabig ni Mike dun, oh.
May iwan yung laman. Tinik na lang ang nadali.
Sumunod yung tinik. Iwan yung laman.
Let's take a look what happened here. Oh! Sino mo yung nangyari?
Ayun, nawala na yung kon niya.
Yung ano?
Nawala na yung bolt niya.
Wala tornilyo.
Ay, hindi, kailangan niya screwdriver. You need to screwdriver.
Pati yung ano, kani naka-expose sa minnows. This is the best. Naka-expose sa minnows to the kanin. So, it's the first time I've seen that. Holy shit. Kaya maglalasa yung kanin sa lasang ano minnows to.
Eh, naglalagay nga kami ng dito. Kakain kami.
Holy shit.
Nakain kami, hindi kami nagugas.
Yun ang true Pinoy.
Oo.
Lamig.
Ano pinasok doon?
We'll try the grill that Chris...
Oh, yeah, no. Lagyan mo na ng kwan.
You guys want to see this? Take a look at this.
Yeah.
Chris, muntik na masuro.
Nasa park.
Yan na si Mike, oh. Babato na ulit to. Binigla kasi ni Rolly, oh. Yan na. Hook.
Oh, buluan ha?
Yan, yan, perfect.
Ang layo ah.
Perfect.
Ayaw, di ba buwal ba? Sayang.
Basta mga ganong hila, maliliit lang yan. Oy,
Still something.
For nothing.
Holy shit. There it is. Okay. Parts and service over here. This is where I picked up my license during May.
Welcome to Canadian Tire.
Hi, I want to get a fishing license.
Fishing license?
Yeah. You go fishing too? No.
No.
For sure not going to lose this one out.
Oh, yeah.
We were here for this. Power Pro 20 pound. 20 pound. Was it this one? Nope. 20 pound 650 yards. I think this is it. Alright, 20 pound test. That's too much though. 40, 30, 20. This year is more of my thing. But I've always been a Power Pro guy. I think 40 is too much for me. I don't have a big rod, so I'm going to stay away with the 40. That's that. Alright YouTube, so we are here, we are in my workbench station here in my garage. What we are doing is we are going to be showcasing how to remove and to put on if you don't have a machine. It's the only way that I've known that I've actually foreseen and done. So I decided not to keep the line. I just wanted to give you guys a little tip on cleaning your spoon here. You take up some Purell Advanced Hand Cleaner. You spray a cloth, and you just gently put it on. Gives that nice bright polish effect that hobbyists need. So, alright, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I tied that right there. Then you want to release that bail. You just want to tie this, okay? Okay, now you're just gonna tie it twice. Okay, there you go. See what I'm doing? Run it about 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you want to close the bail. You see what I'm doing? Now, this is what I'm gonna do. Now, this is what's gonna take place. I'm going to take this and make sure you have your brake on. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten this a bit. There you go. So it's not going to be slowly. You guys can see this. See that? Okay, here we go. So you just want it nice and easy. You want to do this nice and easy. Don't go too fast. Okay, put some pressure. I'm telling you, people that think it's over exaggerated to be putting on like a 30 pounder on this one. I think twice. You know, as long as your reels can upkeep with your rod and you're using a spin cast on a spin caster, you should be safe. So we're approaching. I think it's just enough. Okay, it's nicely done. So you just want to like take the rest and there, a little hole, and you just want to do a knot there. Okay, just one basic knot. There is your new line on your rod. The bail is always important. The top here, you don't want muck around here. Okay, and you know, just overall take care of your stuff. These rods can last you. Some people, they go out and just spend a fortune on buying rods year after year, but why? When rods like this can like basically give you whatever you need it to be. It's all about TLC, man. Tender loving care. A little bit of that on your equipment and you're good to go. But yeah, that's all it is. Thanks for watching. Okay, that was our video for today. Appreciate it if you guys subscribed, liked, and keep following. Fishing's fun. Thank you for watching. Ciao.